iPixel LED was born in 2015 and founded a company intended on serving the needs of customers across the world. Upon the inception of our company, we found that 90% of our customers were requesting customized products based on our standard sizes. iPixel made the decision to focus on providing these various customizations for our clients. We are a manufacturer with years of experience and expertise in different pixel LEDs. We have worked with this particular product and perfected our craft for many years. We currently focus on LED neon flex, flexible pixel strips, rigid pixel bars, and LED wall washers. Our development team is consistently working on improving and designing new products. Furthermore, we are dedicated to testing each of our products to ensure our customers receive high-quality products. We have a variety of testing equipment, including humidity and temperature gauge machines, weatherproofing chambers, and integrating spheres. Our company has over 50 employees, all of whom are dedicated to providing excellent products and customer service. iPixel's major clients are located in North America and Europe. We are a moderately sized company, but we are effective and provide individualized attention to all of our clients. We excel at accepting customer orders without a large MOQ requirement. Our experience and knowledge allows us to assist you in realizing your ideas at a reasonable cost with a quick turnaround. We look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.